Okay, we're going to try this. The remote is turned off. The vehicle is turned off. I just put a fresh battery in it. We're going to turn the vehicle on. See the lights flashing. Lights are flashing. Okay, turn the remote on. It dies. Won't do anything. Okay, now we're going to turn the remote back off. We're going to turn the vehicle off. Okay, this time we're going to turn the remote on first. On. I'm going to attempt to turn the battery to vehicle on. It won't do anything, just flashes. It won't stay on. I'm holding the power button down. Release the power button. Hold the power button down. Remote's turned on. Turn the remote off. Attempt to turn the car on. Getting flashing lights. Able to let off the power button. Turn the remote on. And it dies.